Good afternoon, class. It is question number 10. Solve the inequalities graphically on number line. 5 into 2x minus 7 minus 3 into 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to 0. We have 10x, 35, 6x minus 9 less than or equal to 0. 10x minus 6x is 4x minus 35 minus 9 minus 44 is less than or equal to 0. Then 4x is less than or equal to 44, and solution of first inequality is x is less than or equal to 11. Now second inequality, minus 2x plus 19 minus 2x sorry 2x plus 19 2x plus 19 is less than or equal to 6x plus 47. Now we have 2x minus 6x less than or equal to 47 minus 19. Then minus 4x is less than or equal to 28. Then multiply by minus x is less than or equal to 7. Then x is less than or equal to minus 7. Multiply it by minus 1. Then the graph of these inequalities is given by graph of these inequalities is given by first is x is less than or equal to 11. On number line we have, it is number line minus infinite to plus infinite. Let it is 12 and it is 11. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5 and so on. We have to find the solution set for x is less than or equal to 11. X is less than or equal to 11 means 11 is included, equal to 11, and less than 11 means it is the region. All values lying between minus infinite to 11, minus infinite to including 11 is the solution set for x is less than or equal to 11. Now second inequality is x is greater than minus 7. We have minus infinite plus infinite, minus 7, let it is minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, and so on. Now x is greater than or equal to -7 means -7 is included because there is equal signs. -3 is included means it is -7 is included means it is -7, and all values greater than -7. All values greater than -7. Then the solution set which satisfy both these inequality is which satisfy both these inequality is obtained by this graph. We have minus infinite, plus infinite. From first inequality x is less than or equal to 11, we have all values less than 11 means it is all values less than 11, and from second inequality we have all values greater than -7 means it is -7. Then the solution set is the all values lying between greater than -7 or less than 10. Sorry, less than 11. 11 is included, -7 is included, and x is given by x is greater than equal to -7 and less than equal to 11. It is solution set, and graph of this solution set is this.